So that's the worm shaft. That's where the idler bearing goes. You'll notice that gets thinner the farther down that way, farther to the right. So what happens is this housing is threaded. This is bolted to the casting. This is the lock nut, and this here has bearings in it that support this worm gear. So when you thread this here housing this way, counterclockwise, it moves this, takes the backlash out on that guy. That is the ring. So that's how they adjust backlash out of this turret. That's what drives the turret. There's a spline. Let me get my flashlight out. So that actually moves. That's part of the piston assembly that moves forward to disengage the curvic coupler, and then the worm drives the turret to index to the next station, and it does it pretty quick too. And that lock nut that you kind of see in there, that's trouble. Those don't come out too easy, so hopefully that'll be a little bit easier. This is a race for the bearings. So, more to come.